John, what brought you to air woodworking? Well, initially it was because air woodworking doesn't require talent or a shred of ability of any kind. But once I started getting into it, I soon realised how quickly I could achieve results. I mean, I can go to my workshop and achieve nothing in a matter of minutes. Air woodworking. It's the new sensation. It's safe, affordable, requiring no equipment whatsoever. It's a great way to impress friends and family and meet new people at your local air woodworking club. So join us at the Air Woodworking Tournament at Wooddust for your chance to win prizes from Promac and Capital Brewing and be crowned the Air Woodworker Champion. Visit the Wooddust website to learn more.